This is Seth Allen from Terry's Tips. Even when I was a kid, Terry was an options nut. Back in the mid-70s, Terry had a seat on the Chicago Board Options Exchange and one summer flew me out to see it all. I remember seeing the chaos, meeting the runners, and getting to walk around all the giants yelling and waving papers around at each other. You might remember a similar scene from the 80s movie Trading Places. It really was exactly like that. Fast forward 40 years and you can see how things have changed. Now you can do the same thing from the comfort of your own home. In the 90s, when discount brokerages started to emerge, Terry scanned the internet and kicked the tires of a dozen or so brokers' websites, including Options Express, Interactive Brokers, E-Trade, Schwab, and Fidelity. Since that time, several new discount brokers have come on the scene, many of which have decent trading platforms and commission rates. However, throughout the past 17 years, one broker has consistently stood out above all the others. And that company is the Chicago-based broker that goes by the unlikely name of thinkorswim by TD Ameritrade. Are we the only ones who think they are the best options brokerage around? No, we are not alone. In a recent study by Investors Business Daily, surveying the opinions of thousands of self-directed investors, thinkorswim was named number one for their options trading platform. Why do we think they are the best? thinkorswim has some of the best commission rates around. Not only their publicly listed rates on their site, but even more so for Terry's Tips premium subscribers that receive the $1.25 per contract commission rate with no flat ticket fee added. How does that compare? Well, if you placed a single calendar spread, which is made up of two legs, you would pay $2.50 under the Terry's Tips pricing. Regular thinkorswim subscribers often only pay 75 cents per contract, but have a $9 ticket fee. That means the same spread would cost $10.50 rather than $2.50. I think you can see how you would save thousands of dollars every year if you were an active trader. Their trading platform is second to none. Their ThinkDesk software is something that you download to your computer and the data streams right into it so that you have the most up-to-date real-time information at your fingertips. Additionally, thinkorswim has the most comprehensive analytic software around and literally has every bell and whistle you could think of. It can get a little overwhelming at first, but they have an extensive tutorials program, and once you spend a bit of time with the software, it becomes second nature. One of their software tools that we use the most is something called the risk profile graph. This is where we enter simulated trades so we can know what all the profit-loss ranges are for various stocks, strikes, and time periods, for new positions, and for making adjustments on the fly. Lastly, one of the most popular features is their auto trade service. If you don't have the time or inclination to do the trades on your own, they allow us to send the trades to the auto trade desk and they will execute the trades in your account for you. This way, you won't ever miss a trade if you're at work, traveling, or otherwise occupied. I mean, really, unless you're an options nut like we are, do you want to watch your computer all day, every day? You can leave that to us if you want. We've also found we get better executions when they enter the orders through AutoTrade than what an individual might get on their own because we are doing larger volume. It's very easy to use and set up. They have a fully staffed and trained support desk. You will receive a direct email and phone number. You don't have to wait through an automated phone tree or anything. It goes right to the desk and you can get right to business and not waste any of your time. We prefer the software package at thinkorswim by a large margin. For many of Terry's option trading years, he paid over $200 a month for a software package that delivered real-time prices for entire option chains, which include volume, bid and ask, Greeks, implied volatilities, open interest, things like that. This same information comes free with the thinkorswim software that you download to your computer. If you have already found thinkorswim, congratulations. If you don't have an account with thinkorswim already, or want to open a new one for options trading, we have a very special offer for you. Use our special link to set up a new account with $3,500 or more, and you'll receive 4 free months of our premium service. The link is in the email you received this message with, but if for some reason you don't have it, send an email to seth@terrystips.com and I will forward the link right over to you. Thanks for making it to the end. We look forward to having you on board and continuing your options education with Terry's Tips. Happy trading.